enough para dumating sa posisyon na yun. I know na may kulang pa and it's not time for me. Pinakamasakit na runner-up is first runner-up and second runner-up kasi you're always there but never good enough to be there. I'm not blaming anyone or any organization. I know it's not meant for me and I really support all the queens out there. Wala nang naniniwala sa akin. Even my own family, sabi nila, nak, baka tama na kasi nasasaktan din kami pag nasasaktan ka nila kasi ang dami na nagbabash. Iniisip nila, ang desperado mo naman, Samantha. Akala mo naman sobrang ganda mo. Akala mo naman ganito. Everyone thought na pinili ako to represent Philippines. But little did they know that I pushed myself to be there. I pushed myself to be there. I make way. And I represent Philippines with honor and pride. And I hope everyone is proud of me. Ang hirap talaga, guys, kasi 117 kilos na luggage. Ako lang nag-hair and makeup sa akin. Ako lang nagpi-picture. Ako lang nagbi-video. Ako lang lahat. I don't have the training. Nasira pa yung hair ko 2 days before. Nasira pa yung national costume ko. Lahat yun inayos ko. Ako lang. Dala-dala ko yung buong Pilipinas para sa akin. Pero hindi ko sinisi lahat.